Hello, hello everyone. I hope you are doing good and enjoying your days in this COVID-19. Anyway, today I'm gonna show you some parcels, some orders I ordered from Amazon, and this is gift for my husband. Let's see. Yay! What is it?
I already opened for her. So she said. So first give me your introduction why you are a travel wife and why you don't know much about the latest technology around your world.
Okay.
Do you know about Amazon?
Well, actually, previously I didn't know, but after coming to Hong Kong, I came to know a little bit about Amazon. Amazon is just a shopping mart, just like in Korea it's a G market, and in Hong Kong I don't know, but Amazon is a worldwide shopping mart. So we ordered products from Amazon. I think it's from USA, maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. Anyway, okay, I think there are so many products, I feel very hard. Anyway, I will bring it out one by one and then I will review. Okay, this is finished. Okay, here is it. What is it? This is henna. You know henna in our Islamic country, in our Pakistan, in our Indonesia, or in all the India and Pakistan we call henna. It's for hair color, natural hair color. It's not artificial hair color. So your hair will be not rough.
Can you show the bottom of the letter?
Yeah, sure. It's the indoor hair color. You can see that. There is no.
Also for the bag, for the ingredient, for the customer.
Oh yeah, sure. Make sure this first thing you need to know that there is no artificial color, so it's very good and healthy for your hair. Even you can add some your home items like egg and the yogurt as well to make the henna good. And the next item is, what is this? Peppermint oil. It's 99% pure. This is peppermint oil. Peppermint is in Urdu we call it pudina. So this is very good for your hair, and it's your hair. It's very cool. You feel it's very cool for your skin. It makes your skin head very cool. It's it's the summer days in Hong Kong, so it's very handy to use in summer. Anyway, what is it? This is the black soap. Wow, I love black soap. If you want to know from where I ordered, this is actually black soap is actually came from Africa. So there are many products from Africa about the black soap. I will show you one by one. There's a collection of black soaps. Let's see, what is it? One soap I used. Oh, what is it? Black tea and tea tree oil. Tea tree soap. Anyway, black tea and tea tree soap. So this is a black tea. Black tea. We can in Urdu we say like Lipton tea, or in USA we drink black tea in many shops. Anyway, and the tea tree oil. There is a tea tree oil. Smell is very good. It's very good smell. I can see the smell of coffee. I can see the smell of tea. The black tea and tea tree oil as well. I have smelled already the tea tree oil, so I can say that. But this is African black soap. You see, it's a black soap, pure black. I have seen pure black soap as well. Anyway, so smell is so good, I must say that. What is it? Next is black coffee scrub soap. Black coffee scrub soap. This soap is made by scrub coffee scrub. So I recommend you don't use any coffee scrub for your face. I recommend you use the soap. I can smell the coffee in the soap. Anyway, the next is Dead Sea mud and green clay. Oh wow! You can see the color as well. So good. Anyway, next is charcoal bar. Okay, so that's all. This is my gift from my husband. It's a black soap. I love African black soaps. Okay, next item, next parcel. What is it? Oh, this is is this? Maybe you can tell me better about this. Can you explain it?
You know, just guess what it will be.
Okay, this is, I think it's a stand for the mic. You can see, you see the mic.
This is a handle for the mic.
Okay,
for
okay.
you.
Okay, handle for the mic for me. Anyway, yeah.
Okay, that's
The detailed review you will get from my husband in the next video. And what is this? This is olive oil it's olive oil soap. This, if you see, it is a 86% olive oil. You can see that 86% olive oil. And yeah, you can see the inside. Maybe I'm not opening this because it's a gift from my mother-in-law, so I'm not opening this. Okay. And what is this? This is it's a glasses. This is special glasses for my
This
husband.
is mine. Don't touch that.
Okay. Oh, he is his present. I should not open it without his permission. Anyway, what is this? Let me open this. This is more heavier. Okay. I first bring out and then. This is Nivea Cherry Blossom Lotion. Cherry Blossom Lotion with jojoba oil. Check out. If you want me to open it, sure, why not? I can. Oh, I'm very strong. What's logo? Why? Okay. Smell is so good. I feel like rose, you know. Cherry blossom. You can see. Cherry blossom. The smell is so good. I feel the smell of flowers. So anyway, next product is, I have two products. I will give one to my mother-in-law as a gift, as a present, Eid present. And the next product is foot butter. It's a set. It's a foot butter for the cracked skin under your heels. If your heels are very cracked, you can use it. It's very good. Okay, so I can let me try it and put on my maybe ankle. Okay. Maybe you can try it on your heel. Anyway, the next product is the next parcel. Oh, I'm so happy. I have so plenty of presents. Okay. Okay, this is breath blue. What is this? This is also a lotion, Nivea lotion. This is for my husband. He used it at his work, so his skin is very dry. Every time dry. I even use I even do his massage from coconut oil with the coconut, but still his skin is so much dry. I don't know why. Anyway, this Nivea lotion is good for my husband, but I will prefer that he review it in a good way because this is his present. This is a very good thing. I love it. This is from my husband, but still I will review this. Oh, don't think this is tasbih in Urdu. No, it's not tasbih in Urdu, but it's actually a talisman in English. This is the African map. You can see African map. And I the good thing I like it, I can use this, the strings, I can use it as a tasbih, you know, in the talismas. Okay, I can recite some verses and then increase my okay, anyway. Maybe I hope you understand. The next thing is coconut oil. I love, my favorite thing is coconut oil. Oh, it's very good for massage. Whenever I do the massage of my husband, I feel very comfortable compared to other coconut oil. Oh my god, I must say, don't forget to buy a coconut oil for every body massage, for your mother, for your husband, especially for your husband. Very good.
The links will be in the description box of everything.
Yeah, sure.
Now we have to say bye.
That's all. Please give me your comment and the review, and let me know what products you want to see more, and you want me to more explain and try more products. And then one more thing I want to show you, this thing. What is this? It's a glasses. You can see this glasses is not sunglasses. This is more advanced from sunglasses, and you can attach on your eyeglasses like this. Oh, you know why I like this glasses? Because this is polarized, and you can see it from the right and from the left. All the rays from the sun and from the light and from my mobile, from my laptop, don't hit onto my eyes from the right, left, and up and side down. So this glass is very good. If you're blind, if you have eyesight vision problem, and your the sunlight and the lights are very dangerous for you, I recommend you use these glasses. The lens of this glass is very strong. This is the filter attached on the lens is very strong, that don't let the light go to your eyes. So it's very good. I use this outside when I go out, and I have the night vision problem. I can't see at night, and also I can't see right and left when the sunlight hits to my eyes. I can't see right and left. I feel very problem. Okay. Anyway, I must say. So soon I will order one more glasses. That is a night vision glasses. This is for daytime, not for the night time. When I use these glasses at night, it doesn't work for me. So for the nighttime glasses, I will order another one, so that I can see at the night as well. I must say, must buy if you have eyes problem. That's all. Please like and share my videos, and comment at my video, and let me know for the more products you want to see. Thank you. Bye bye.